Yeah, so to baseline a little bit, okay? I'm going to show the routing interface for the intermodal use case, okay? So we have some filters that we can use in order to pinpoint the order that I want to plan. And we have the main details of the order listed in here as well, okay? So what I'm doing is basically I'm routing this through our network. This network is predefined, okay? So we would need to set up all the different routes, railway routes. We can do that for ocean as well. To show you one capability that we have, I'm going to do for an ocean transportation, we do have an integration in here with ocean schedules. Okay, so this is routing from South Africa to Antwerp. We can search directly ocean schedules from within here. For example, with Maersk, and this is real life data. Okay, we do have that for ocean, but if there's a database of rails that we can tap into, we can retrieve as well, any information that they offer for us. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the rail example. So what this is doing is it's looking the closest station to the pickup, and it's looking for the closest station to the delivery, and it's routing it through a predefined network of routes. If we can download that or integrate that, that would be the way to go. From within here, we can look as well into rates. Okay, but these rates are created in the system. Okay, and now I'm looking at rates that are in the database. Of course, if there's an integration that we can search those rates with them, we could do that. Or, if you have contracted rates that they are sent via Excel each 3 months. What I was planning to show was basically road execution of the order itself, because I want to show you additional capabilities. Okay. So instead of using the intermodal network, what I'm going to do is actually plan this with a truck and a driver, etc. So that would be done from this interface. Okay, we have pretty much the same scheme as always. We have the list of orders that we need to. Well, they can be ongoing, they can be in transit, they can be unplanned as of now. Okay. We have a certain level of filters in here as well that allow us to basically close down a little bit the list of orders that we're going to plan. And down below, we have the list of tractors and trailers associated with their last planned trip, okay, and order. So in here, we will see, tractor number, trailer number, the driver, the order, then the trip, which is, we will see later on, but it's basically a record that is the execution of the order. Okay, we have the status, the time in which it's estimated to be available, and then the destination of the latest order in order to see where is it going to be. Okay, so we're going to take our order and we're going to plan it. Okay, from within this same screen, we can take a look as well on the. Oh, we're going to look at the driver. Okay. So we can find the tractor. In here, we will see the list of. So we see the details of the order. Okay, we see that it's going to depart from Amsterdam or near Amsterdam today at 9 a.m. Actually, so we're late for planning. And in here, we have a filter for adjusting the kilometers, okay, in order to see the different assets that are available with a certain radius at that specific point in time. Okay, so this is the closest one. Okay, so this is the tractor, the trailer, the driver, and then this is the ongoing order. Okay, it ended on January 17, and it was on Antwerp. Of course, I mean, the more accurate the data is, the more this is going to help with regards to planning the order itself. Okay. So if we save our order, which is the 4822, then it has a tractor, trailer, and driver assigned. So that step of the process is fulfilled. We actually can do pretty much the same, so we can plan assets to orders, but oh yeah, I actually have one that makes sense. Well, it doesn't really make sense, but we can do basically the process from the other way around. So from the tractor, we can find the most interesting order. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it with regards to the planning interface.